What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to one how to smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy Buds. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to wirelessly charge your Galaxy Buds with another device. These are fairly charged. You guys can see that it is shining green, meaning it is in the upper higher percentages of it being charged. But either way, regardless, it could still be charged. So if you guys have a device, this is the Note 10 that I'm demonstrating with. The Samsung Galaxy S10 also works for doing the wireless charging. What we're going to want to do is get into the device. From here, swipe down and then swipe down again. Look for a wireless power share. See if your phone is compatible, see if it has it. If you don't see it on the main screen, scroll over. It might be in one of these other side screens. So what we're going to want to do is go ahead and select that wireless power share. And then here it tells us that your phone is ready to charge. Put the center of your phone to the back with another device. This will charge another phone, another device, Apple or your wearables. I have my Samsung Galaxy Buds. I'm going to go ahead and place it on top. The screen has to be lit in order for it to work. So as you guys can see, it's ready to charge. We're good to go. I flip it over and it turns on. So when the screen powers off on the front, at that point it is not charging. And then here, as you guys can see, the red light is glowing. So it is charging, and that is how to do a quick charge. If, let's say, you're out somewhere, your phone has battery life, but your buds have died and you need a quick charge, this is the way to do it. So the newer devices, the Galaxy S10, the Note 10, and the newer are able to do it. So just like that, that is how to turn it on. If you're no longer using it, the way to turn it off, same thing, scroll down, I hit cancel on that little message there, that turns it off. If you don't get that message, you can go ahead and just deselect it here in the drop down menu. So that's just a quick tutorial of how to charge your Samsung Galaxy Buds wirelessly. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know somebody looking for this information, please do share it with them. That's all I got for you guys in this one. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.